Every hobbyist and professional tradesperson watching this video must have used a soldering kit for their welding task at home or job site. A soldering kit is often used to join metals in remodeling or create new works of art. However, these soldering iron kits are used mainly by professionals who fix electronics, make circuit boards, do welding, jewelry making, and many more. So in today's video, we will show you the 7 best soldering iron kits for beginners that are packed with much needed soldering essentials and meet all the safety standards. So without further ado, let's dive in.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
At first, check out the YIHUA 862BD Plus soldering iron, a 2-in-1 high-power soldering station that is specially built for your safety and has numerous innovative technologies. This soldering iron has a 500-watt hot air gun that provides a maximum air volume of up to 120 liters per minute, while featuring both auto and manual mode for great work efficiency. Plus, it ensures up to 75-watt soldering performance with an adjustable temperature between 212 and 896 degrees Fahrenheit, and comes with up to 99-minute adjustable sleep mode for a great lifespan. One of the most convenient features of this soldering station is its triple digital displays that show soldering station temperature, rework station temperature, and air volume. In addition, it enables digital temperatures calibration, PID temperature control technology for precise soldering, and features enough safety technologies for your absolute protection. To sum things up, if you want to get a soldering station and rework station combo at the price of one station with true beneficial qualities, then purchase this YIHUA kit without looking more. Meet the Lexi Von Butane soldering iron, a multi-purpose kit that conveys the most practical and convenient qualities for professionals and gives full priority to your safety. This soldering kit has the most advanced electronic self-ignition trigger that will allow you to start your solder torch 100% hassle-free, which is the first convenient part an ideal kit can hold. With a high working temperature of up to 2400 degrees Fahrenheit without soldering tips and up to 1100 degrees Fahrenheit with the tips, it provides precise performance for all your projects. Apart from that, this versatile soldering kit lets you adjust the flame from 1/2 to 2.5 inch length and assures an optimal flame to complete projects accurately. Moreover, it comes with a large tank capacity and standard butane gas that offers a substantial runtime of up to 75 minutes and fully refills in just 10 seconds. Including one wireless butane torch, 6 multi-purpose tips, 1 protective cap, 1 sponge for easy cleanup, and essential equipment, this portable LEXIVON soldering kit brings professional-grade results on every commercial job. Are you looking for a portable digital soldering station? Meet the Hakko FX888D23BY, a stylish and compact solder kit that fits perfectly on your any kind of workbench and gets the job done precisely. With up to 70-watt power consumption rate, this small soldering station has an adjustable temperature control range between 120 and 899 degrees Fahrenheit. This soldering kit can be heated up to 750 degrees Fahrenheit in just 26 seconds, while the preset modes allow you to store 5 preset temperatures for different applications. Weighing only 2.6 pounds and having a compact design, this digital soldering station takes minimal space of your workplace and offers super portability. In addition to that, this kit comes with a wide variety of T18 tips, allowing you to do various soldering SMD and through holes applications. Also, this soldering station has a convenient digital display that shows your operating temperatures in both Celsius and Fahrenheit scale while allowing you to do other settings with it. To speak shortly, this Hakko soldering station will let you stay on your job at your job site with its lightweight design and effective work efficiency. Do quick and efficient welding with the VersaTip Soldering Iron Station, an affordable iron that delivers even heat and is packed with various soldering essentials while being perfect for welding beginners. This soldering iron allows you to adjust the temperature and heat up quickly in just 15 seconds with large venting holes. With the upgraded steel pipe design, the VersaTip new soldering iron provides more efficient heating and better heat dissipation, while the design and easy operating facilities eliminate all the hassles of maneuvering. Plus, it is packed with 5 pieces of iron tips that let you make soldering iron easy to fit for your TV accessories, computers, hardware, and many more. Apart from that, this kit includes 1 temperature adjust soldering iron, 5 soldering iron tips, 1 soldering stand, and 1 desoldering pump for your maximum convenience. To conclude, this budget-friendly VersaTip soldering item will definitely offer bang for your buck, featuring all these highly beneficial qualities. Now get your hands on the LEXIVON Soldering Kit, a full set of convenient soldering tools for beginners, enthusiasts, and professionals to handle any kind of project. You can adjust the temperature of this soldering kit from 200 to 450 degrees Celsius, meaning you'll be able to control it precisely and bring accurate results on different soldering applications. With its 4 ventilation holes and protective tube and a steel pipe design, it offers you better heat dissipation and increases your soldering efficiency for existing projects. Plus, it comes with 5 replaceable soldering tips so that you can choose the perfect one based on your DIY or commercial task at hand. Besides, this soldering station has a solid metal stand, which ensures absolute stability, while the spring holder fits the soldering iron exactly. In short, for all your home DIY tasks, electrical projects, repair jobs, and all related tasks, this LEXIVON Soldering Kit will assist you in every possible way with its efficient aspects and features. Next up, we have the Dremel 2001, a cordless welding kit made from the finest high-grade materials and offers an unbeatable level of functionality and durability. This butane soldering kit comes with an integrated ignition trigger, allowing you to do an easy startup, while the safety lock prevents accidental ignition. Plus, you can adjust the temperature between 1022 and 2192 degrees Fahrenheit and control the size of the flame to get precise results on different applications. In addition to that, this kit is packed with 14 different versatile accessory kits, offering you a versatile accessory range to solder, melt, cut, weld, burn, area heating, and many more. With a convenient refillable tank and liquid butane lighter fuel, it can burn for up to 75 minutes, so you can complete a wide range of applications quickly with a single refill. Shortly speaking, if you are looking for a cordless soldering kit that conveys substantial safety features and ensures supreme level durability, then you must check out this Dremel 2001 at least once. Now get introduced with the Weller WLC100, the most high-rated soldering kit with heavy-duty welding power that handles all kinds of DIY and professional welding projects. This effective soldering kit can produce up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit and complete projects while ensuring professional-grade results. With the variable power control, you can adjust the power of this welding kit from 5 watts to 40 watts, meaning you'll be able to bring the highest accuracy on projects. Moreover, this station includes a Weller-certified ST3 iron-plated copper tip, allowing you to keep the temperature consistent while efficiently creating metal joints and electrical connections. Apart from that, this soldering kit has a lightweight pencil iron with cushioned foam grip, letting you have extended comfort during long-term soldering tasks, while the cleaning sponge removes unwanted residue. Meeting all the independent safety standards and featuring high-performance aspects, this Weller WLC 100 took the #1 place on our list and will be the worthiest purchase for sure. So that was the list of the 7 best soldering iron kits for beginners just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.